Hello friends, today I will cover one simple example. This example is related to sorting the integer array in the ascending order. This is a most frequently asked questions by the interviewer, and we are not supposed to give the proper answer at the time of the interview because maybe somehow pressure, or we are just aware about the collection framework, which is really help us. But without the collection framework, to solve this problem, it's very difficult because we don't have any practice, or we are not trying to practice to solve this issue without any collection API. So let's see how we can solve this issue without the collection API. As we know that there are a lot of sorting mechanism or algorithm is available in the data structure. We can use it. Today we are going to see the bubble sort, how we can use the bubble sort and sort our elements. Let's see. This is of my array of integer, and this is first what I have to do. That first in my array of integer I have to find out the length. Okay. Okay, now my program what is say, within the bubble sort, first I have to take the index of 0 and compare this index with this one, with this and this and this. Okay, within the comparison it will check that which is less than 5 or 12. Okay, now 12 is greater than 5, then don't do anything. Then compare with the 7 with index 0. It is again no, 7 is greater than 48 is also greater, and 1 and 5. Now we say that 1 and 5 both are having a there is a difference between these two, means 1 is a less than the 5. Now the logic says we have to interchange the value, swap the value. 5 is coming here and 1 is here. Now my index is pointing to 12. Now 12 and 7, they will compare to each other. Now we can see 7 is a less than, so 7 swap the value and 12. Now my index 1 is 7, it will compare with the 48 and compare with the 5. Okay, again 5 is this, swap this value and 7. Sorry. Now again my index is in the 12 and again it is in the compare with the 48. Okay, no change. 7. Okay, change it. So here is 7 and here is 12. Now again pointing to a 48 and 12. Okay, change it. Now we can say it within our example. It's really easily sorting this example, but how we can sort it? For this, let's again to undo this so problems. Okay. Now I need a loop which is start with this one. So my for loop I have integer I equal to 0, I is less than a length which I found it, and I plus plus. Okay. Now see my first loop I have s out, and I am printing this array of I. So what my value will be? My value will be 5, 12, 7, 48 and 1. Got you? So my first index which I have to compare with, first index which I have to iterate one by one, so it will printing this. Now I have to iterate the next level. So for integer j, whatever I is plus, I have to compare with the next index. So I plus 1, then up to where I have to go? I have to go j is less than length and j plus plus, sorry. Okay, now if we have print out this, so you know about that. Initially it will print the 5, then 12, 7, 4, 8. Again it will point to 12, then it will print out in this 48 1. Again when the index is 7, then this will 2. When 48, it will point to this. Now I have to put the logic of swap. So swapping for easily we can use the temp variable. Okay, before to take the temp, I have to put the condition. If array of I is less than array of j, okay, array of I or array of j, whatever have okay, I have take the temporary variable integer, then array of whatever is j, I have to convert of put the value of array of I and array of sorry. Yeah, this is my problem. Okay, so I have, this is my to swapping logic, which I am swap the value from here. Okay, so now let's see the example of this. Okay, I have taken the array. Similarly, this is a length to loop, which I already mentioned there. This is my swapping logic, and finally whatever the outcomes over here, I am just print it out. Okay, so this is our outcomes and we got the proper result. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you.